Alright, number 17. Again, this is review 6-3 for Algebra 2. Number 17, the total time needed to fly from LA to New York and back, so round trip ticket, is modeled by the equation t equals d over a minus j plus d over a plus j, where d is the distance between the cities, so, come on, d is the distance in miles between the cities. A is the speed of the airplane, and J is the speed of the jet stream. Okay, so they want us to do two things. First, they want to simplify the right side of the equation. Then, find out how long would it take to make the 2,468 mile trip if the airplane is going 510 miles an hour and the jet stream is going 115 miles an hour. Alright, so here we go. They want two parts. First, simplify the right side of the equation. So that's just an addition of rationals. So we got d over a minus j plus d over a plus j. So what they want us to do is put this in one fraction. So here we go. The first one needs the a plus j, the second one needs the a minus j. So t equals d times a plus j over a minus j, a plus j. The second one needs the a minus j over a plus j, a minus j. Now, okay, so now we have a common denominator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and distribute the top. This is going to be d times a plus d times j. This is also going to be d times a minus d times j, which is nice because I have a positive dj and a negative dj, which nobody wants a negative dj. They kill your vibe. So, here we go. I got two dAs. So I've got 2 dA over a plus j and a minus j. That would be your simplified form. Which I don't think that really looks any simpler than the original, but that's technically the simplified form. Whatever. Number 2, part 2. They say find out how long it would take to make a trip that is 2,468 miles if the airplane is going 210 miles an hour and the jet stream is going 115 miles an hour. So we have three variables. We have a distance, we have a speed of the airplane, and we have a speed of the jet stream, which the distance, they tell us, is 2,468 miles. The airplane is going 510 miles an hour, and the jet is going, where is the jet? 115. Jet stream, not the jet, the jet stream. Which, if you don't know what the jet stream is, go ask your physics teacher. Y'all are juniors, you're taking physics right now, right? I don't know, whatever. So start plugging things in. T equals 2 times D, which is 2,468, times J, no, not J, D times A, which is 510. That's going to be one giant number, divided by, what is that? A plus J, so 510 plus 115. A minus J, so 510 minus 115. So the time, I'm going to go ahead and multiply the two. I'm going to go ahead and add these together. I'm going to go ahead and multiply the two, just make things easier for my calculator. So we're going to do 2,468. 510 times 2 is 1,020. And then 510 plus 115 is 625. 510 minus 115, that's 400, 395. And this is when I would stick it in my calculator. Now, you know how to make this into a fraction? Great! But the way you're going to stick this in your calculator if you don't know how to use the fractions is just literally type 2468, the times button, 10020, divided by, and then put parentheses. 625, nope, not close parentheses, times 395. And close your parentheses. That way, this entire piece gets in the denominator. You should know how to do that by now. If you don't, well, fair enough. So let me make sure I do this real quick. 2468 times 1020 divided by 625 times 395 equals 10.19. So we're just going to say 10.2. So 10.2 hours. That's how long it would take.